Hi guys, my name is Somnath More. Today's our topic is that the containment in Java. The containment is a relationship means the use of an object of a class as a member of the another class. Containment is has a relationship. Example: employee has a going rate. The containment or composition is a way to design or implement the has a relationship. The composition and inheritance both are design techniques. The inheritance is used to implement the user relationship, and the has a relationship is used to ensure the code reliability, reusability in the program. In composition, we use instance variable that refers to the another object. The composition relationship of the two objects is possible when one object contains another object, and that object is fully dependent on it. The containment object should not exist without the existence of parent object. A simple way we can say it is a technique through which we can describe the reference between two or more classes. And for that we use the instance variable which should be created before it is used. The key points of containment or a composition: the composition represent part of a relationship. Next one, the both entities are related to each other in the composition. The composition between two entities is done when an object contains a composed object, and the composed object cannot be exist without another entity. For example, if a university has a college lists, then a college is a whole, and college lists are part of the university. Favor composition over inheritance. If university is deleted, then the corresponding colleges for the university should be deleted. We can let's take an example of university and its college. Understand the concept of composition. We create a class college that contains variables, that is a name and address. We also create a class university that has a reference to refer to the list of colleges. University can have more than one colleges. So if university is permanently closed, then all colleges within the particular university will be closed, because colleges cannot be exist without a university. The relationship between the university and colleges is the composition. Thank you.